All right, everybody, this is the Macro Man, and I have an update to our recently released ADATwitch platform. So if you go to Cardano.io, you will see a new landing page. It's not new, it's got a new button. That's all that's new. So I'm just going to do a walkthrough of how it works and just make it clean and clear and under control. So we're going to go to that button, and you're going to be greeted by a bit of a landing page, which explains some of the features of ADATwitch. And there's two sides of it. You know, there's the side of you're a streamer, and you want to receive tips using Cardano. You want to give tips using Cardano. And we also have some overlays built out, including a live alert overlay. So if someone sends you a tip, then it will pop up, and then they can send a message, similar to a super chat. And then for a viewer, you can receive tips, right? You can see the streamer and see, have they been getting a lot of tips but not giving a lot of tips? And you can also tip the streamers through the platform as well. So the first step is to log in with Twitch. So we're going to click that button. It's going to take you to an authorization page. Make sure you have a Twitch page set up. And then you will be here. Now we can see that we are in our main ADATwitch page, and our Twitch account is connected, and we can log out and go back to that landing page. But the first thing we got to do is we got to configure our tip wallet. To do this, we got to connect our wallet first here, and then we can click register. Sign some data here. And now our wallet is configured. So it's basically the wallet that, like, if someone's going to tip you, whether you're a viewer or a streamer, that's the wallet it's going to go to. And then you can see profile mode here. And profile mode is basically, are you a viewer or are you a streamer? And based on that, it will decide what is in this page. So right now we're in viewer mode, and all viewer mode is this, right? So you have your wallet configured, your Twitch account set up, and then you can see all the different streamers here. Now, you can go to their page, like let's go to Cardania. And once you're here, you can see a lot of information. So you can see like the Cardania HQ, you can go to their Twitch with this button, and then you can send them a tip in ADA, in tokens, in NFTs, and you can see some more of their information about their streaming, as well as a tip section, so you can see the tips that they've received and the tips that they've given as well. So then you can see also the registered viewer. So that's like their page, and yeah, very simple. If you want to tip them and you want it to show up while they're live on stream, then while they're streaming, you use this page, you tip them, and it should pop up. Now, let's talk about, as a streamer, how to do this. Okay, so let's click Become a Streamer. We're just going to sign this. And now the page has changed a little bit. So now we have a streamer link page. That's that page we were just on, the streamers page where you can tip them. But here we have overlays. So there's 3 overlays right now. We got the tip pop-up, the streamer page link, and just an additional one is a ADA price card. So all we got to do to configure these is we just got to copy the link, and then we got to go to our streaming service, which I have open right here, and we're going to add a source called a browser, and we're just going to add it in right there. And then that is there, it's loaded, you can see it is there. And hold on, I'm cutting off the page a little bit here. There we go, and then we can test it out. So let's go back to here and let's test tip, and you should be able to see. There we go. All right, it's working. Perfect. Now the other 2 we can add really quickly the same way. Browser card. Just put that in there. I'm in local right now, but that's okay. Now this is a card so that if your viewers, when you can put it into your stream, so your viewers can go and say, hey, I want to tip you, go to this link or scan this QR code, it will take it to that tip page where they have the window to tip them. Okay. And the bonus one is the ADA price card. It's just an example of kind of the things that we can build very easily. Yeah, there we go. So now we got a live ADA price card. So we can stream and we will have our tips popping up here if they get any, as well as a way for people to tip you and an ADA price card, which is just for funsies mostly. Okay. Now, as a streamer, how do I tip the viewers? This is a good question. Okay, so the first step is you need to have some registered viewers. It will show up here. For the purpose of this example, I will just register to myself and do that. There we go. It's going to register here. And it should pop up. And we need to reload here. Still in the middle of the development here. There we go. Okay, so we can see that we have a registered viewer, which in this case is me, but we can literally just click this tip button. Oh, our wallet needs to be connected. Fair enough. And we can send them 3 ADA or tokens or NFTs. And there you go, right? There you go. Now on my tip page, here we can see that I just gave 3 ADA to basically to myself. Okay, but we can also tip. So as a viewer, you can tip them. Say, get it, boy. Dun, dun. Since I'm using my same account to myself, it's like sending me an internal transfer because I'm using the same wallet. But there we go, boom. There we go. Get it, boy. Live. All right, so I'm pushing this right now. We are good to go. Let me know any feedback, how you like it, what you don't like, what needs to be improved. We're early in the stage of development with this, but it's just a simple integration between Twitch and Cardano, and one of the first ones done, I believe. So, pretty excited about that. And, yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. See ya.